Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix iPhone 13 that won't charge. iPhone 13 series earn a great popularity stemming from its advanced features like a faster processor, improved camera, sleek design and more around the world. That said, all these features are of no use if your iPhone 13 won't charge and the battery has no power. Here are some common battery charging issues. iPhone 13 is not charging when plugged in a charger and a power outlet. iPhone 13 charges but it won't charge past 80%, 10%, or less. iPhone 13 fails to do wireless charging. You can't charge the battery on iPhone 13 and the device won't turn on. Fortunately, such issues can be easily fixed as long as you follow the right approach. Why is your iPhone 13 not charging all the way? Old battery, which might be the first reason you can figure out. Aside from an aging battery, poor charging cable connection should be responsible for iPhone 13 not charging properly. This stems from a loose, damaged or cheap charging cable, a charging port clogged with dirt or debris, and a broken charger. Power source is also a cause that's easy to ignore. Finally, the culprit could be your iPhone 13 itself, like overheating, software-related problems or the broken internal components. We'll provide the solutions to these problems and explain the steps to let your iPhone 13 charge normally again in detail. The steps work to remedy the battery not charging issue on iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max 2. Step 1. Check the battery status. iPhone 13 series is released in September 2021. For users who live on the device all the time, the battery drain will increase quickly. As a result, the battery will age fast and then your iPhone 13 doesn't charge whether it's plugged in or charged wireless. To check the battery status on an iPhone, you can follow these steps. Open Settings app, tap Battery Health and Charging, and check the maximum capacity. If it shows 75% or higher, your battery is good and move on to the next steps to fix iPhone 13 battery not charging problems. If it shows a lower percentage or nothing, then it means the battery is aged and you'll need to take it to a repair store to repair or replace the battery. Step 2. Check the charging cable and charger. If your iPhone 13 won't charge when plugged in, verifying the charging cable and charger is the first step to do after checking the battery status. 1. Make sure the connection between cord and charger is firm. 2. Try unplugging and replugging the power cord. 3. See if there is any crack or damage on the surface of the cable and charger. If yes, switch to another cable or charger that you've tested for good. 4. See if they are officially certified to charge your iPhone 13. Now, plug your iPhone 13 into power again and see if it charges properly. Step 3. Clean the charging port. Shut down your iPhone 13 first. Use a toothpick, soft brush, or compressed air to gently remove dust and debris from the port. Be cautious and avoid using liquids. Once assured that it's free of any dirt, turn on your iPhone 13. Now, plug into power again and see if your iPhone 13 charges properly. Step 4. Check the power source. Is the power source powerful enough? I guess some of you might ignore this factor when considering what causes the iPhone 13 not to charge when plugged in or wireless. Then, go and use other digital devices to test if they can be charged normally. If they can juice up successfully, then move to the next steps to fix software-related problems. If they can't, then you'll need to plug your iPhone 13 to another outlet that you test is good, like the TV socket. Place your phone on a flat desk and see if your iPhone 13 starts charging correctly now. Step 5. Restart iPhone 13. Aside from the hardware components, software also plays a crucial role in managing the charging process. Once you're assured that the hardware related to battery charging is working well, it's time to refresh the software system. For this, there are 2 iPhone 13 not charging solutions. One is to do a restart. Press and hold both volume up button and power button until you see the red power off slider. Drag the slider to the right to turn off your iPhone 13 that's not charging at all. Wait at least 1 minute. Then, press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. Now, charge your device with a wall power and see if everything goes well. 2 is to do a force restart. Quickly press the volume up button, volume down button and then keep holding the side button until the Apple logo comes up on the display. Wait until your device boots up. Now, charge your iPhone 13 by plugging it into a power and see if the battery charges fully. Step 6. Update or reset your iPhone 13. In rare instances, the problem could be an outdated iOS system or unknown malware. If you suspect this is the reason why your iPhone 13 won't charge or turn on, the solution here is to put your device into recovery and update or restore the device. Here are the detailed steps. Attach your iPhone 13 to a computer with a cable and run iTunes or Finder. Then, on your iPhone 13, quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button then release. Press the power button and keep holding it for a few seconds. Don't release when the Apple logo appears. Still keep holding. When you see the recovery mode screen showing a laptop and cable, let go of the button and go to the computer. On iTunes or Finder, you should see a pop-up window. If not, click your device icon to open it up. Then, choose the update option first and finish the steps that follow. Once the update process is done, plug your iPhone 13 to a charger and see if it charges. If not, repeat the steps to enter the recovery mode again and choose the restore option to bring your device back to its factory defaults. Step 7. Ask a pro. In the worst case scenario, your iPhone 13 won't charge because of a hardware malfunction. It could be liquid damage. It could be a broken charging port. It could also be a busted internal component. To be honest, hardware damage is difficult to identify and repair. So to avoid further damage, your best bet is to see a specialist at Apple Authorized Service Center. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 13 that won't charge properly. If you find this video helps, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.